Bill Nye atmosphere. First, select your cycle number. Next, you will type your first name in the box here. Now you will type your last name in the box here. Number 1. The ozone layer blocks out all light, ultraviolet light, or blue light. Number 2. If we think of the atmosphere of an ocean of air, we live at the top, in the middle, or at the bottom. Number 3. True or false? Our atmosphere is thin. True or false? Number 4. When Bill removed the atmosphere, sucked out the air from the container, what happened? The temperature dropped, the temperature rose, or the temperature stayed the same. Number 5. The less atmosphere over our heads, the lower the pressure, the higher the pressure, or the lower the temperature. Number 6. When our ears pop, that means that the outside pressure is greater, the outside pressure is less, or the pressure inside and outside your ear canal has equalized. Number 7. Which of the following is not a layer of the atmosphere? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere, asthenosphere. Number 8. When Bill was flying in the glider, he was flying through the troposphere, stratosphere, or mesosphere. Number 9. When an atmosphere keeps a planet warm, we call it the ozone, the CO2 layer, or the greenhouse effect. And number 10, the layer of the atmosphere that has clouds and rain is the stratosphere, thermosphere, or troposphere.